The P0030 diagnostic trouble code indicates a specific malfunction in your vehicle's emission control system. This code relates to the heated oxygen sensor heater control circuit. P0030 specifically refers to a malfunction in the heated oxygen sensor heater control circuit for Bank 1, Sensor 1. This is the upstream sensor located before the catalytic converter. The oxygen sensor is a critical component in the engine's exhaust system. It measures the oxygen content in exhaust gases to help the engine control module optimize the air-fuel mixture. The heated oxygen sensor contains an internal heater element that rapidly brings the sensor to its optimal operating temperature of 600 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This heater has dedicated wiring for power and ground connections. The engine control module continuously monitors the heater circuit, checking its resistance and current draw. When the ECM detects a problem with the heater circuit, it triggers the P0030 diagnostic trouble code. When the P0030 code is triggered, you'll typically notice several symptoms. The check engine light will activate, and you may experience poor fuel economy with a decrease of 10 to 15%. Other symptoms include rough idling, hesitation, and potential failure during emissions testing. The most noticeable impact is often the decrease in fuel economy, which can significantly affect your vehicle's operating costs and environmental performance. Understanding the P0030 code is the first step in diagnosing and resolving this common emission system issue. The code specifically points to a problem with the oxygen sensor's heater circuit, which is essential for proper engine performance and emissions control. The first step in troubleshooting P0030 codes is a thorough visual inspection. This critical step can identify obvious problems before any electrical testing begins. After visual inspection, the next crucial step is electrical testing using a digital multimeter. This will verify the heater circuit's electrical integrity. Understanding the wiring diagram is essential, as approximately 40% of P0030 codes are caused by wiring issues rather than sensor failure. Some vehicle models have known patterns of P003 failures. For example, Honda Civic models from 2018 to 2022 experienced widespread connector corrosion issues, leading to technical service bulletins. Remember to always perform thorough electrical diagnosis before replacing parts. This systematic approach prevents unnecessary component replacement and ensures accurate repairs with a 98% success rate.